Hi guys, this is for all the ISO builders. So it's a video that could go on ArcoLinuxISO.com. It's a video that could go on alci.online. It's a video that can go on the AA ISO. It's all about the Universal Linux Installer Framework. You see it up here. We've received news that there is something new, right? Download version 52. But we have to give the developers time to create. What's the difference between 51 and 52? And I don't think I've ever made a video about the differences. So we're waiting for Adrian, in this case, what he says is different, what tools, modules, whatever, right? What is different? What should we take a look at? Because Calamares is personal. It's a framework, but you have to mold it so that it works for you. So what I'm gonna show you is the following idea. While he's writing his code, I'm gonna go to download this one, save file, okay, and I'm gonna go and download, if I can, from here. No, I thought as much. I go to, it's very easy to remember, github.com, Calamares, and Calamares again, twice Calamares. And then we go to the releases, and you go get number 51 as well. And then, of course, you know what I'm going to say. People who listen to my YouTube channel know what I'm going to say next. You go meld it, right? You go compare these two guys with each other. Right mouse click. We're gonna extract this. So that's one by. This one can go as well. And then extract again. And then I'll know what's different. So at this point in time, we're making ourselves ready for the next release mid-March. And hopla, right? A new Calamares comes in. What's different? This is different. That's all the same. We don't care about what's the same. This is different. And of course, it's a lot of work. As you see, it's a bit long. But all the languages is not important for us. The source is super important for us. Here we see some extras, some changes, some languages. Okay, fine, not important. CMake test, a new version, check, new version, bailout, lame, okay. Makes sense to him. Changes 3.2, aha, we have already a little bit of text here. This release contains contributions from Evan, no core changes yet, module, recognizes NVMe and MMC devices correctly as SSDs now. So that's a good thing, right? People who have that, great. Lux boot key file handles trailing slashes in mount point. Partition can be built with a new skip option. Partition can be built, new skip option, which skips the actual formatting steps but does not bail. And there it is. The old lame option is renamed to bail out. Okay. Users has a new key, sudoers configure with group, to allow for different styles of sudo configuration. All right, that gives us an idea. In my case, I know I don't have to do anything. None of the files, none of the configurations that a user have changed, right, are implemented, are applied here. But nevertheless, don't be too quick to judge. Right, go inside lib Calamares modules. What do we have? We have this one, we have the FS tab. So if you want to read some code, some Python code, then you check out. Okay, this is changed. Cool, fine, and that's it. That's it. And you try to understand. And I know it's okay. I don't get it as well, but you read some things. It's about NVMEs. Name starts with NVMe, and here def NVMe. So they're making it more, yeah, it easier, more intuitive, that it finds it. and then logs boot key files and so on, partitioning. So we're not going to go in all these things, just a quick check of what I have. Users.conf, what's changed, a few text, if set to false, write a sudoers file with all commands. It's set to true, writes all, so that any user, any group can be chosen, and so on. So this is something I would change. ArcoLinux is now using this way of doing things. So yes, users.conf is something that we can add. Not that it matters, not at this point in time yet, right? But if ArcoLinux at some point in time says it has to be like that, then it matters. And that's it. So these are the modules that have been changed. That's important because modules and configurations matter. So I know what to do. And that's basically what you need to do, right? Compare one with the other. And the more you keep, you jump to version 46 and you now have 52, the more you need to read. So it's actually a good thing, a good advice to do that jump by jump, right? And then there's not that much work. Otherwise, it's a lot of work to compare and check out. All right, ISO builders, have fun. A new Calamares is out.